Yo, this is Stocks in Hip Hop. Is the market going to keep giving us the gift that keeps on giving? The Santa rally is in full effect. Let's talk about it. It's Stocks in Hip Hop. Yo, I appreciate you coming back to the channel. I truly do. Thank you for stopping back again. If this is truly your first time here, please do me a favor, hit that subscribe button. That allows you to see future content. Stick around to the end. I'm going to give you the thumbs up or thumbs down for what I think is the best entry for the market. And what we do here is we learn. I teach you how to read charts, and we do that every single week. So hit that subscribe button. You will get a weekly analysis on the market. We do that by covering the 4 indexes every single week: the Dow, the NASDAQ, the S&P, and the Russell ETF. And we do that to protect our money. And on top of that, we do have fun, plenty of fun here. We mix in hip hop with the stock market every week. And this week's hip hop lyric comes from none other than EPMD. On the track Pioneers. On the hook, we got cars by the pairs, and stock we got shares. And this is to let you know every single time that hip hop and the stock market have always been together. And I'm going to prove that to you every single week. So let's check out what happened in the market and the excitement that we got going on right now. S&P is at $4,719.19 for the close. And family, we have discussed over and over and over and over and over again about how this cup and handle pattern can develop and what's the likelihood of that doing so. And now that we've had our first close above the neckline, we said we want confirmation with a strong close above that neckline. And what do we got here? Strong confirmation with a close above the neckline. So where can we go from here? We got price targets going on. Obviously, the high right now is the first price target. We have to attack that high in order to prove that the bulls are in full control. And I think we're going to do that. Right now, $4,719. We are only off by about $100. About 99 exactly to be, we'll just say 100 again. So we're pretty close there, knocking on the door. I think we're going to get there. Price target right now is the high, about 4,800. So I think we're going to get to around that 4,800 mark, and we'll get there quickly. Downside target is if we do come back to where we just broke out from, where we tested out that neckline or resistance of that cup and handle pattern. And that is around $4,600. So 4,600 is downside. Upside target is the highs, record highs. I think we can approach that and create a new one around that 4,800 area, right? That's S&P. Let's go ahead and check out what's going on with the Russell. This is the one we keep an eye on because bull markets always have the Russell involved. It closed at 197.04. So remember our aggressive target that we set for this to make a quick move to around that 190 to 200 area, because in the past we've seen volatility anytime that it is touched around that 165 area. And we did that, and we have made a very quick move as predicted by the prior moves before. So where can we go from here? Price targets. Family, do we have the real chance right now to actually break above this 200 area? We have been consistently beat down. We see 3 times before that has made that move and failed. Can we get above there? So price targets right now, we want to retest around that 200 area. That 200 area is going to give us the true test of whether the market is going to keep moving higher. We have an opportunity. The bulls have to close above that 200 area. So price target right now, upside is 200, downside target. Zoom in and see if we end up testing back around this, we'll say 194 area. So around this 194, 195 area is where the downside target is for the market to hold up if it really wants to show its strength. That's IWM. Let's go ahead and see what's happening with the Dow. The Dow had an extremely positive week as it closed at 37,305.16, and ding, ding, ding. That right there is record highs. Family, we've discussed this before. We've seen this cup and handle, well, really not on this one. We've seen how this zone has played out before, where we were in this zone consistently. We got in there, jumped out of it, got into this one quickly and closed strongly above it. And here we are now record highs. And family, we have discussed multiple times, but every time you close on the highs, chances of continuation are pretty good. We've consistently closed at highs on each of these candles, and we have done the same once more. So where can we go from here? Price targets. It's really not too hard of a price target, right? We want to see if we continue to hang around this high. The low should be closer to around that 37,000 area. So upside target, we stay close to where we're at, around this 37,300 area. Downside target is if we come back to retest around this 37,000 area. All right, so that's the Dow. And lastly, NASDAQ, where you at $16,623.45. And this is where the cup and handle looks so beautiful. Look at that thing. That's a work of art. Cup and handle playing out just perfectly. We've talked about this handle and how we've gotten there, and now we have our close above 16,000. And where can we go from here? We see the record high 16,764, and we are at 16,623. We're very close. We're very close. We're less than $100 away, and I think we're going to get there. So price targets right now is that record high. I think we get there, and I think we do make a new high. So new highs is the price target for the NASDAQ. Downside target is if we come back to retest around where we broke out from, around that 16,000 area from where that neckline is. So let's go ahead and wrap up what we got going on right now. Everything is bullish. Everything is bullish. Santa is ho, ho, ho. He is giving away everything to the market. The gift that keeps on giving. Shares are aplenty. So do we have ourselves a thumbs up or a thumbs down week? So we got ourselves a thumbs up. We got a thumbs up, and the reason why we do is because we have a technical breakout. Technical breakout being that we closed above the neckline or resistance areas of the cup and handle pattern on two of our charts. And then we also have continuation signals going for IWM, and the Dow has had record highs. So I think this is a good time to buy. Why buy at the highs, you go? Well, this is because technical breakout. We are looking at this technically speaking, and I love technical breakouts. The cup and handle has been a very consistent pattern, and I like its chances of continuing higher. So I like what we got going on. I have this as a thumbs up week. So what are you listening to as far as hip hop is concerned? Let me know. Put that in the comments. We've already got the hip hop lyric this week with EPMD. I took it back to Out of Business. If you haven't had a chance to listen to that album, there's one good one from EPMD. Listen to all their albums, as a matter of fact. EPMD is a classic hip hop act. And make sure that you check me out every single week. We got new Stocks and Bars episodes out. Finally, I know it's taking me a while, but life comes first before any of this stuff needs to happen. And take care of yourself. Health is wealth. Spend time with your family. Make sure that you get your health, drink your water, your exercise, and spend time with people that you love. All of these things matter the most. Finance means nothing if you do not cover these three every single chance that you get. All right, so take care of yourself. I appreciate you coming back. Check out the rest of the videos. Let me know what you think of the weekly series, and I will catch you next time. All right, peace.